In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix StockX Error Code 400. Error 400 is a bad request response, and it usually means the site didn't like something about the data your browser or app sent. Most of the time, you can fix it with a few quick cleanup steps and a couple of checks on your device and network. Start by resetting your session. Fully close the StockX app or your browser tab, then reopen StockX and sign back in. This simple refresh often clears temporary token or session mismatches that trigger the error. Next, clear your cache and cookies, which is often the most effective fix. On a desktop using Chrome as an example, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select cookies and cached images and files, then confirm to clear. Reopen StockX and log in again. If you're using a different browser or a phone, the wording will be similar. Look for privacy or history settings and clear cookies and cache for best results. After that, rule out blockers and unusual networks. StockX frequently filters requests that come through VPNs, proxies, ad blockers, or script blockers. Temporarily turn those off, switch to a normal home Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, refresh the page, and try again. This helps ensure your request looks normal to StockX's servers. If the error continues, try a different environment. Switch browsers, like moving from Chrome to Edge or Safari, and consider changing devices, desktop to mobile or mobile to desktop. If it works in one place and not another, you've isolated a device-specific issue you can focus on. Now think about what you were doing when the error appeared. It commonly happens during login, placing a bid, buying instantly, or updating payment information. If it occurs at checkout, double-check your billing details, remove and re-add your payment method, and, if available, try PayPal. Even small address formatting issues can cause a bad request. If none of that helps, it may be a server-side problem. During high traffic, big releases, or site updates, requests can fail temporarily. Wait 30 to 60 minutes and try again. This often resolves the issue without further changes. If it's still not working, contact StockX support. Go to the help or support section, submit a ticket, and include